Every time you look at a Chirp Nature Center's logo, you're looking at a design that was inspired by the mountain bluebird. Welcome to Tori Sings for the Birds, presented by Chirp Nature Centers, where you learn about the birds while I sing about them. In this video, we'll be focusing on bluebirds as I sing Bluebird by Sara Bareilles. Word came through in a letter, one of us changing our minds. You won't need to guess who, since I usually do not send letters to me that are mine. I told him I saw this coming, that I'd practically packed up my things. I was glad at the time that I said I was fine, but all honesty knows I wasn't ready, no. And so here we go, Bluebird, back to the skies on our own. Oh, let him go, Bluebird, ready to fly, you and I. Here we go. Here we go. These pair of wings, worn and rusted from too many years by my side, they can carry me, swear to be sturdy and strong. But see, turning them on still means goodbye. And so here we go, Bluebird, gather your strength and rise up. Oh, let him go, Bluebird. Oh, let him go, Bluebird. Oh, let him go, Bluebird, ready to fly, you and I. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Thanks for listening. I hope you learned a few more facts about bluebirds, and I hope you'll subscribe to and follow Chirp Nature Centers on your favorite social media. You can check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also go to chirpforbirds.com for wild bird supplies, guides, and gifts. Until next time, happy birding!